Why are they zeroing in on the garbage bin
Well,
na yun?
just to have an issue, alam mo kasi, I've heard somewhere Nograles saying, desperate times require desperate moves. And the only way he can win, actually, John, is to destroy me. Yan lang sila. Yan ang panablan because he knows he cannot win. I'm sure mayroon silang survey, pero yung survey nila, of course, sa USP, because doon niya dinump yung lahat niya na mga scholars, maybe he will win. But the mock elections in UM, plus the pulso ng bayan, plus yung amin, plus yung kanila. Yung kanila, it's 60 for Inday, 16 kanya. He knows he's going to lose. Sa pulso ng bayan, it's 78 si Inday to 17 sa kanya. Mock elections, ganun din. Averaging, Inday averages something like 7. I'm sure she will go down a little bit. But at this stage, earnest start at this time, no such thing. Wala na, too late na. Politically, I don't think. I've been around since my father's time, 1957, when he became governor. I'm a student of politics, actually. Mahirapan. Even if he has to spend. I think Nograles has to spend something like 500 million to get even. Makatabla lang man siya sa percentages. Because he has to buy everybody. It's well na impossible task to do that at this time. Unless going to waste money.
Is he willing to lose that?
Ako naman, pumapalo ng 83, but it's para sa akin, hindi na kailan because I have defeated Di Guzman twice. The last time with a margin of 152,000. So what's the problem? He wants to debate with me. But what? The same issues. Yung kanya nga sabi ko You have wasted the people's money of something like 300, 120. Ang bayaran natin dyan sa yung artika na yan, matatapos ngayong July. Hindi natin masabi na wag natin bayaran because si Di Guzman gave the land bank the authority to pay artika. Ay yung gumawa ng artika, yung builders something, forgot the name. Archipelago Builders. So walang kasalanan yung bangko. Nabayaran niya 120. So we have to pay. It's a legal obligation. Sabihin ng bangko, land bank, bakit mo naman kami? Why punish us? We paid the Archipelago Builders upon your authority, upon the directive of your mayor. So ngayon, hindi natapos yung artika. It sits there, rotting every day. But we have to pay. So we have paid something like, yung interest lang, would you believe it? 74 million. We've been paying since then. Pagbalik ko, nung year 2000. Ganun ka. Kung may matao man dito na nagsayang talaga ng pera sa syudad, kasi binabayaran natin ang land bank hanggang ngayon. And we would have completed the payments, we would be freed of the obligation by July of this year. Monthly, something like 2 plus million.